Perhaps some future Rockets getting in some work tonight at Tam O'Shanter. 4th and Goal hosting another camp this evening in Sylvania. Former Ohio State Buckeye and New York Jet Adrian Clark in town specifically to work with offensive linemen, both high school and middle school aged players. Clark, a member of the 2002 national champion Buckeyes, admits it is mind-blowing that the game won't be held this season. Back in his native Cleveland, Clark runs pro-grade sports, specifically working with young offensive linemen. Now, getting young teens to buy into a life in the trenches can be tricky.
You know what? That's always an issue. Most younger linemen, they want to play defense, but at the end of the day, you get to hit somebody, So once they understand that where their skill set is better suited, one way it's a whole lot easier to play offensive line if you're 6'7" than it is to get down and deep rooted on the defensive line. They buy in once they also understand the concept of team. Offensive linemen, we're athletes as well, and it takes a craft, and it also takes a different kind of mentality to get out here and to learn the things. There's a lot of nuances, and there's a lot of technique things that you have to learn, angles, all these different things. But offensive line play is more impressive now because a lot of the playing, a lot of play calls call for more versatile and athletic linemen.